I will show you the taillight mounts. It's the saddle mount. Place it like this. You can place it both upright or inverted. The taillight has not much enough space here, so I will use the seat post mount. You have to use this screw for the stability. The seat post mount also has the same type of screw. I have already installed the seat post mount. You will have to use the rubber and the screw for the stability of seat post mount. It is easily movable, so you can position your tail light easily as you like. You have to place the tail light here. Let me place the tail light. A screw placed. It's perfectly placed. Now I will have to use the Allen key and the screw. The small screw. I will place the small screw beneath the tail light with the Allen key provided. Thus the tail light is placed perfectly. I have mounted the remote holder with the safety strap in the handlebar. It becomes easy to use the remote with this remote holder. Now let's see. By pressing the first button, we can lock the tail light. It will give 3 beeps, and after 6 seconds, it will beep again for confirmation. Now the tail light is locked. Let's see. As you can see, it gives alarm. The second button for unlocking the device. As it's unlocked now. The third button of the remote for quick flash. And we have to press it again for slow flash and again for standby. And the last button for horn, you can see the pattern of horn. They have given only one pattern, so you can change it. The taillight is much durable and waterproof. It gives louder sound and brighter indication red light, which will easily make you noticed. You can also use it while rainy season. It has also a premium look. I am satisfied with it and I am using it for 1 month. It gave me very good service. The indication light of the remote is also excellent.